Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you two different techniques you can use to make these colorful foam pumpkins. These are a fun and unique option for DIY Halloween decor, and you can save them and reuse them again next year. I started with these foam pumpkins I got at the dollar store. I spray painted them white outside on a large piece of cardboard and allowed them to dry according to the instructions on the bottle. For the first pumpkin, I did a melted crayon technique. I laid out the pumpkin on a piece of parchment paper. I got a box of crayons and selected pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple colors. Then I fully removed the paper labels from each of the crayons. Wearing gloves, I held each crayon above the pumpkin and used a heat gun to melt the wax, allowing it to drip down onto the pumpkin. I did this with each of the crayons in its own section, doing my best not to let the colors mix together into an ugly mess. And I went back in adding more wax in any areas that still looked patchy. And this is how it looked when it was done. You can do this with any combination of colors you like. For the second pumpkin, I did a water marbling technique. This would work a lot better with a much larger container, but I just used what I had, which was this little black container, and I filled it about halfway with water. I used red and black nail polishes for mine, but again, you can use any colors you like. Water marbling is really easy and you can't really mess it up. It will look cool no matter how you do it. I added some drops of both the red and the black nail polishes into the water and used a toothpick to swirl the colors around into a marbled pattern on the surface of the water. Then I dunked the pumpkin into the water, allowing all that nail polish on the surface to coat the pumpkin. This is where having a bigger container would help. If it's big enough, you can add lots of nail polish and cover the whole pumpkin when you dunk it. But I had to turn mine to get more of the nail polish onto the areas I missed, and I also did a second round of the nail polish so that there would be enough to coat the whole thing. Once it's coated, you just need to let it dry and that's it. Here is the final result of both of the pumpkins. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what sort of videos you'd like to see in the future. See you later!